Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial video, we are going to be learning how we can log out of our epicgames.com account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up a web browser and then go to the URL box and type in epicgames.com. You will now end up in the official website for Epic Games Store. If you're already logged into your account and you like to find a way so that you can log out of your Epic Games account, then the process is quite easy. From the main home page, go to the upper right corner and mouse over to your profile icon. In the pop-up, click on the Sign Out button. Soon after you click Sign Out, you will be redirected to your login page for Epic Games, which means you have now successfully signed out with a click of a button. To log in back again, you will need to make sure to enter your Epic Games account's credentials, and that is how you can easily log out of Epic Games. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.